What are you thinking?
The house is that way, so we definitely don't want it going that way. We want it coming this way.
And then, but we don't want it to hit the house.
We don't want it to hit the house.
So you got a special plan.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut it so it doesn't fall that way. Make sure it falls this way. I've watched some videos on YouTube. It's pretty much straight up and down. It's not really leaning hard in any one direction. So we should be able to get it to fall the way we want. Well, getting into my Oklahoma farm boy going to handle some power tools mode here.
Okay, so let's do it.
Okay, so I'm going to make a front cut here, aimed in the direction that we want this thing to fall. And then after I get that done, we'll make a back cut that's higher. And we'll do it higher so that it will fall toward the lower cut, not back toward the higher cut.
What if it goes early, like before you do the top cut?
Well, if it goes early, that'll be a surprise, but I'll be headed that way.
You're gonna run.
Hell yeah. This is such a small, lightweight chainsaw that if I force it too hard, the chain bar starts to bend on me. It starts to curve and not do a straight cut anymore.
It's moving. The whole thing is moving, baby.
The whole tree's moving?
Yeah, it's shaking.
Yeah, my battery says I'm done.
Oh, okay. We gotta now recharge?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't want to go more than halfway through, right? Otherwise it could hinge backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like 2:30 in the morning. And I'm super stressed out. I can't sleep because I think that tree is like right outside the window where I'm sleeping. Okay, so it's less than halfway, which is reassuring, but still, like, the top part of it fell off. So what if the whole damn thing falls over on me while I'm sleeping? Right inside that window. So I think that I'll just go sleep somewhere else.
I finished trimming this up and got it angled so that the tree will hinge the way that we want it to fall.
Okay. So we want it to go this way, away from the house.
Yes.
Okay. Wait, do we need ropes?
Or do we need ropes?
Someone told me ropes are good.
Well, we're gonna cut like this now, so that we can just push it over that way. I was gonna come in like this.
And why? Why are you picking that height?
Seems like a good height.
Seems like a good height?
Well, it's about how I can maneuver the chainsaw. So
Okay, but you saw that that's how you're supposed to do it.
something like that, yeah.
Are you nervous?
Careful. I'm gonna be careful.
Okay.
Yeah. for sure.
So, wait, I'll go far away.
That seems to be too high.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's gonna come down to be right about there.
And then it could kick back?
No. That'll be fine.
Wait. Probably?
Yeah, so if it starts leaning back toward the house,
Yeah?
it's gonna pinch my saw blade. So I'm gonna know that that's what it's doing.
But don't you think we should put a rope around it?
Well, for one thing, do you have a rope?
What?
Do you have a rope?
Well,
And are you going to shinny up that thing to attach it? And then what are you going to do with the rope? You pull on it so it comes over on top of you? I was thinking that we could put a 2x6 on the back side of it.
that's a good idea.
So I was thinking about that last night.
Okay. He's gonna put a 2x6 on the back of the tree as extra safety precaution. He does not seem to know what he's doing. Oh my God. I'm not gonna be laughing if this tree falls on my house.
That's not much. It's not a guarantee, but
That's not a guarantee.
right. Yeah, you could hinge over the top of that. But we're doing this so that it's not going to hinge that way.
Are you pretty confident
What?
that it's going to go in the right direction?
Well, if it starts to not feel right, then I'm going to stop.
What if it's too late?
Well, one thing you can do is, you know, if you want to see which way something is leaning, I can do that.
Okay.
And I can look and I can say, okay.
Which way is it leaning?
Pretty much straight up and down. You know, what I'll do is I'll continue to cut on this. And then I can always drive a wedge in there to start moving it.
What kind of wedge?
That kind of wedge.
Okay. I am feeling really anxious about this operation. I don't know what he's doing now. He's getting a hammer. Okay. He's coming with a hammer. Oh, okay. It's wobbling. Like the tree's wobbling.
Yeah.
When you do that.
Well, I started moving it that way by doing this. So this has become loose.
I have straps in my car. Would it make sense to put straps around it and pull it?
I have straps too, but unless we get way up there,
Yeah.
they don't do us a bit of good.
Even if we had
I
like.
don't want to strap the bottom because then I might actually end up doing this with it.
What if we got it like 10 feet up, the strap?
How will we do that?
Just with a little ladder.
That's on a hinge. There's no sense in me cutting anymore.
Oh my God, it's moving. Okay, it's moving for sure when you're hitting it like that.
Yeah, it's getting ready to go.
Oh fuck, there it goes. Oh fuck, oh fuck. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh fuck. Oh, I can't sleep tonight. Oh my God. Oh, that scared me.
What's that?
That was scary. Good job.
Just be slow and careful.
Okay.